Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to teach you the last part of chapter 4 class 8 biology. Previously I already teach you about the nervous system as well as about the endocrine system. Now today I am going to teach you about the things which occurs due to the hormonal changes in the body. So related to this, the first topic is the adolescence. Adolescence is the topic which is related between the stage of the adulthood as well as about the childhood. That means this is the stage in which a person is in the age of 11 to 19. That means some are thinking they are as a child and some are think they are as the adult, and because of this transition stage, this term is known as the adolescence. That means you can say the period between 11 to 19 years of age that marks the transition from childhood to adulthood. That means sometimes parents are saying you are child, just behave like a child. Sometimes they are also saying no beta, you are a grown up boy and girl, so please behave like a grown up boys and girls. That means this is the transition stage of the life. Now the second term is the puberty, the period during which sexual development takes place in boys and girls, that is known as the puberty. That means when the hormonal changes takes place, so some different changes occurs inside the body of male as well as in the female, and the sexual developments takes place. That stage is known as the puberty. So now I am going to carry forward this topic, in which today I am going to first teach you about the physical changes during the adolescence. So first topic is the physical changes. That means when the adolescence stage is there, so whatever the physical changes takes place inside the body. So first and most important physical changes is that the reproductive organs mature and become functional. In both boys and girls. Now the ovary is ready to release the egg as well as the testis is also ready to release the sperm. The second changes which occurs in the boys, that is also very important, that is the larynx. In boys the voice box become larger and the voice produced by it is changed. In boys, larynx, which is also known as voice box, becomes larger, due to which the voice of boys will be deep and changes, and the girls voice having the deep harsh pitch voice. उनकी voice क्या हो जाती है, girls की high होती है जबकि boys की क्या हो जाती है, deep pitch हो जाती है. Now this another character is the development of hair on pubic region, armpit. In boys the facial hair also develops. That means boys में facial hairs का development also it starts. Now in boys the chest and shoulder becomes broader. In girls, development of breast. Then also the oil and sweat glands also become functioning, and they are going to secrete the huge amount of oil and sweat, so that it causes the problem of pimples and acne during the adolescence stage. Now, the another topic, first we have studied about the physical changes, that means whatever the changes occurs in the physical body. Now just read about the emotional changes. That means whatever the emotional changes occurs during the puberty. So first thing is there, the most important, due to the hormonal changes, mood swings. Why? Because of the hormonal changes, the mood swings very rapidly. And the second changes which occurs due to the hormonal changes, that is the adolescence easily influenced by the others. Adolescence easily influenced by others. That means बहुत जल्दी दूसरों के प्रभाव में आ जाते हैं, especially by their peer group, by their friend circles. Another changes that occur due to the hormonal changes, that is they are feeling attractive towards the opposite sex. Feel attraction. बहुत जल्दी अट्रैक्शन हो जाता है, एंड वेयर द अट्रैक्शन विल बी देयर टुवर्ड्स द अपोजिट सेक्स. देन these are the main emotional changes which occurs during the adolescence. One more term is there, that is the stress management. So if you want to study about the stress management, so you must know about the stress. What is stress? So stress is our body's way to dealing with the certain positive and negative situation. That means sometimes the situation is in your favor, and sometimes it is against your favor. So how you are going to deal with that situation, that is the stress. So what is stress? Stress is our body's way to deal with certain negative and positive situation. So how you can deal with these things? So there are some different ways you can deal with this thing. The first thing is the yoga. Do different type of asanas which makes you comfortable and deal with the different things. Meditation. When you are doing the meditation, your mind, your body is in the complete calm position, and you are able to think about the different situation, whether it is in your favor and it is against you, and you can easily cope up with that type of situation. Now the another thing is the time management. Why time management is very, very important? So plan your day perfectly so that it will be just not make you panic during the last minute of your work. If you plan properly your day, your work, so it will not make you panic. Sports. Sports is also a very good way to deal with the stress. When you are in a stress position, make your body comfortable. Try to make some sports, whether it is indoor and outdoor, which makes you stress free. Another is the hobbies. Hobbies is also a very good way to tackle with the stress, because if you are going to involve your self in some other activities, that will keep your mind in the different situation, and you will sometime you will forget the your problem, and when your mind is completely calm and cool, at that time you are just going to think about your problem and their solution. So these are some ways you can tackle the stress, and this chapter is now over here. I hope you all understand these topics. This chapter is very, very important, so watch this video properly and try to understand the things, and I will present with the next video with the next chapter. Till then, bye bye, thank you.